on the stage. May I now request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरु
While sports are known for producing the most remarkable athletes, colorful characters, influential leaders, and memorable heroes, we have seen throng of individuals leave as significance a legacy with their words as they have with their ability.
With this, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Aishwarya Avinash Aghav, ma'am, who is the first woman in Marathwada to be an Ironman.
Ma'am has participated in the competition called Ironman 70.3. It consists of 1.9 km of swimming, 90 km of cycling, and 21.1 km of running, which was held in Italy, Savia.
Ma'am has participated in various running events and has run for more than 10 half marathons and completed several cycling events covering distances like 100 and 200 kilometers.
Ma'am has also been selected by Election Commission of India to play a role of a brand ambassador of voters awareness in the 109th Aurangabad East Assembly constituency for the 2024 Assembly elections. It is really a proud moment for us to have you, ma'am.
Now may I request respected Mona Mahdi ma'am to felicitate our esteemed guest with a token of our love and gratitude.
I request respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Shikha Srivastava Ma'am, to felicitate our guest of honor, respected Mr. Mohan Rote Sir.
Now, may I request respected Principal Ms. Shikha Srivastava Ma'am to felicitate respected Dr. Mona Mehendi Ma'am Secretary Academic Council JJI Group with the token of our appreciation. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, may I request our primary coordinator, respected Miss Rekha Thakur ma'am, to felicitate our beloved principal, Mrs. Shikha Srivastava ma'am, with the token of our love and gratitude.
Music expresses.
Thank you all the dignitaries. May I now request the honorable dignitaries to take their seats in the central pavilion. Now I request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries.
That which should not be said and which it is impossible to be silent. With this sentiment intact, I would call upon school choir to welcome everyone with their melodic tunes to enrapture our hearts and souls.
and we will try to spread your word everywhere. With our love, guidance and care, God bless us and God bless the school. We are the children of JG High School. God bless us and God bless the school. We are the children of JG High School. God bless us and God bless the school. Thank you.
Thank you, choir group. Dance is the dull language of the soul. So our welcome dances are way to express our happiness to have you all today with us. So with no further ado, let's enjoy the dance.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशि कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंसवे करुणाम्बुरासि धीं तारा धीं धीं तारा जतुलतो प्राणमे नाट्यं चेसे गतुलतो नाम शतं मूल नतुलतो नापैननी चुकुआ बेला
head of the institution. Academic session 2024-2025 too was loaded with a horde of achievements in multifarious spheres under the unmatched leadership of the respected principal of TJIS Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Ms. Shikha Srivastava ma'am.
It is my honor to invite the driving force behind our esteemed institution, Mrs. Shikha Srivastava ma'am, Principal of TJIS Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Ma'am has contributed tremendously since she has joined the school. Spandan, Envision and Talk Takes are her major leadership initiatives among many. Under her leadership, over the past 4 years, the academic excellence of our students has reached unprecedented heights. Ma'am has an experience of more than 2 decades in the field of various reputed ICSE and CBSE institutions. Ma'am has bagged many awards under her leadership for her contribution to the education system. Few of them are Principal of the Year 2024 Award by the Universal Mentors Association, Education Excellence Award, an award in the field of education conferred upon by the Indian Glory Award 2021 under the category of Top 10 Principals of the Year, School Excellence Award among top 500 schools in India, received Education World India School Rankings Award for our school being ranked 3rd in 2022-23. A motivational speaker, a blogger and a YouTuber creating many educational and motivational videos inspiring thousands of lives. With her unwavering dedication and passion for education, ma'am has tirelessly worked to create an environment where students and teachers alike can thrive. Ma'am's exceptional leadership and contributions have profoundly shaped our school. The courage to make tough decisions and the compassion to listen to the need of others is an art, which we witnessed during the crucial times of COVID and was shown by supporting students and staff, ensuring health and safety and providing stability during uncertain times. I now request the presence of our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Shikha Srivastava Ma'am, on the dais to welcome the gathering and present the school annual report. Now I request the escorting pilots to escort our respected Principal Ma'am.
TJIS कुटुंबातील सर्व सन्माननीय पालक बंधू भगिनीनो सहसहे नमस्कार. आजच्या या क्रीडा महोत्सव प्रसंगी आपल्या सर्वांचे शब्द सुमनानी मनःपूर्वक स्वागत गेल्या कठीण काळातही आपण शाळा व शाळे व्यवस्थापन यांना उत्कृष्ट सहकार्य केले. यापुढेही आपण सहकार्य कराल याची मला खात्री आहे. थँक्यू सो मच. Sports creates a bond between the contemporaries that lasts a lifetime. It also gives your life structure, discipline and sincere pure fulfillment that few other areas of endeavor provide. Quote unquote by Bob Coase. Good afternoon everyone. At the outset, I, Shikha Srivastava, Principal TJIS, takes immense pride and pleasure to welcome the Chief Guest, Honorable Ms. Aishwarya Avinash Aghao, Guest of Honor, Honorable Secretary, JGI Schools, Academic Council, Dr. Mona Mehendi Ma'am, respected Surgeon Captain Mohan Suresh Rote Sir, respected Ashok Hange Sir, and respected Pandey Sir, and all the eminent dignitaries, distinguished guests, my dear students, my treasured parents, and the dynamic team of TJIS Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. At the outset, it's my privilege and honor to welcome you all to the 14th gathering of Annual Sports Meet Umang 2024 Thrillathon of the Jain International School, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Brief about the school. The school was established in 2011 to provide an all-round development and sound moral base for children, fostering character building, nurturing positive spirit of children, encouraging scientific temperament and strengthening some core values were constant endeavors. It's truly remarkable that the school has cherished with leaps and bounds over a period of 14 years, providing the world-class educational facilities, infrastructure, and achieved various milestones and raised the benchmark by multitudes in every facade. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school. We have always committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of child's personality. We have set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and more. It's a moment of pride for me to witness that our students have excelled and have shown their mettle in all three domains in the academic session 2023 and have been excelling till date. It gives me immense pleasure to unfold in front of you the chronicle of school's glory, which reached the pinnacle by sharing with you all the annual school report, academic session 23-24. Before I begin with the annual school report, I would like to bring to your notice that the Jain University has been conferred the prestigious Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar 2023 by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports in the category Identification and Nurturing of Budding and Young Talent. RKPP is one of the highest sports honors bestowed upon organizations for the promotion and development of sports. On 9 January, the Honorable President of India, Ms. Draupadi Murmu, presented this esteemed Puraskar to the Honorable Chairman, JGI Group, Dr. Chandraj Roy Chand Jain, sir, at the specially organized function at Rashtrapati Bhavan. We are celebrating today the Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar. Today we are meeting for the annual sports meet, which is the culmination of the inter-house sports competitions held in the month of October and November. And the elaborated and exhaustive prize distribution ceremony was held on 18th, 19th and 21st November respectively, and the students were felicitated by Shri Rote sir, Shri Hange sir and Shri Pandeji sir. The full coverage you can see on the school FB page and the glimpses of events too. I would like to begin with Jain toddlers updates since we are a K-12 school. Back to school was celebrated with cartoon characters and fun activities. International Yoga Day was celebrated by explaining importance of Yoga Day. The Founders Day was celebrated with tree plantation. The cultural festival Ashadi Ekadashi was celebrated with Dindi and Varkari dance. Family Day was celebrated taking along all the families. The birthday of Lord Krishna was celebrated by the Dahi Handi celebration. Bond between brother and sister was celebrated by the festival of Rakhi. Grandparents' Day was celebrated with all the grandparents taking together, which was followed by the Navratri celebration on the day of Navratri. The festival of Diwali was also celebrated by our toddlers along with all the educators. Now, the academics, since we are following the Pearl curriculum in the toddlers, so it is in true sense being followed by all the toddlers teachers, and a regular PTM of the updates of how the children are performing are also given. In addition to it, field trips were also conducted. The activity like blowing bubble day, puppet show, monthly talk shows, friendship day, colors day, story reciting, role plays, seasons, quiz competitions were also being done. A skill enrichment program is also continued for the last 4 years by the able hands of Dr. Nidhi Navandar and her team, which was being taken care of by the Shashwat Clinic. Now coming to the academics. Academics, what we have done last year, I would just like to bring you with the grade 10 scores. Total number of students attempted board exam were 100. Total number of students who passed were 100%, with Aishwarya Ingole with 97.2%, Sai Venkatesh Bandlecha with 95.2%, Prithviraj Kakade and Prajwal Ghate with 94%, Raghav Karwa with 93%, Shranesh Shinde with 93%, Sai Deshmukh with 92%, Bhavya Pawar with 92%. With 22 students scoring more than 85% marks, 18 students scored above 80% marks. We are also the center of all the competitive examinations, NEET, CTET, MAHATET, we all conduct for the last 10 years. Now coming to SOF results for the last year, since we are still awaiting the results of SOF. Just moving ahead with the SOF, we have Vanraj Kamble from grade 3 who stood second level merit students, International English Olympiad. Vanraj Kamble from grade 3, Rajveer Deshmukh from grade 4, Nihan Marwa from grade 5, Shivam Pimple from grade 6, Ketki Tandale from grade 6, Aradhya Gaud from grade 7 and Naman Gaikwad from grade 8. Parents, I would like to request you to give them a huge round of applause. National Science Olympiad. We have Janvi Patel from grade 3. Grade 3, Shaurya Patil from grade 3, Sejal Lambade from grade 3, Vanraj Kamble from grade 3, Riddesh K. Sagar from grade 4, Avnish Pawar from grade 5, Bhakti Guru from grade 6, Aradhya Tupe from grade 7, Akshata Pawar from grade 8. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause. International Mathematics Olympiad, Aryan Deotkar grade 4, Kushal Bogati grade 5, Shivam Pimple grade 6, Rutbi Taksale grade 7, Viraj Ingole grade 7, Dhruv Dongre grade 8, Ruchi Sunavne grade 9. A huge round of applause. International General Knowledge Olympiad, Siddhant Bahul of grade 1, Ayush Kale grade 1, Janvi Patel grade 2, Adya Dalal grade 2, Sarthak Hunawat grade 2, Vanraj Kamble grade 3, Aradhya Guge grade 4, Srushti Darade grade 4, Avni Hatkar grade 4, Raghav Dudgaonkar grade 5, Sparsh Suryavanshi grade 5, Avnish Pawar grade 5, Shivam Pimple grade 6, Ketki Tandale grade 6, Arya Misal grade 6, Rutbi Taksale grade 7, Aryan Musle grade 8, Yadnya Chaple grade 8, Akash Patil grade 8. Please give a huge round of applause. Social Study Olympiad, Mundmai Solapuri grade 3, Sai Mapari grade 4, Aradhya Guge grade 4, Avni Hatkar grade 4, Raghav Dudgaonkar grade 5, Shivam Pimple grade 6 got gold of distinction, Shlok Badhe of grade 6 got gold of distinction, Bhakti Gurav grade 6. Please give a huge round of applause. NCO, Mitansh Nagar grade 1 got gold of distinction, Avni Hatkar grade 4, Rohit Jaiswal grade 6. Huge round of applause. Mathematics Olympiad, Aradhya Moite grade 1, Mitansh Nagar grade 1, Raghav Kulkarni grade 2, Vridhan Lomte grade 2, Nidhi Chavan grade 2, Navya Rathore grade 2, Sejal Lamade grade 3, Vanraj Kamble grade 3, Yogeshwari Patwad grade 3, Mrunmai Solapure grade 3, Aryan Deotkar grade 4, Rajveer Deshmukh grade 4, Avni Hatkar grade 4, Arohi Malukar grade 4, Prapti Sauji grade 5, Kushal grade 5, Nihan Marwa grade 5, Avinash Pawar grade 5, Shivam Pimple grade 6, Shlok Badhe grade 6, Bhakti Gurav grade 6, Shamika Pujari grade 7, Rutvi Taksale, Viraj Ingole, Aradhya Tupe, Zoren Qureshi from grade 7. From grade 8, Sanchit Jivraj, Prajwal Modi, Devansh Bankar, Dhruv Dongre. From grade 9, Ruchi Sunavne, Arnab Netankar, Swayam Paval, Sai Deshmukh from grade 10. Huge round of applause, parents, for all the student achievers. National Science Olympiad, NSO, Arnav Ankush of grade 1. From grade 2, Raghav. From grade 2 again, Adya Dalal, Nidhi Chavan. From grade 3, Janvi Patel, Shaurya Patil. Sejal Lambade got the Medal of Distinction. Vanraj Kamble. From grade 4, Rajveer Deshmukh, Riddesh K. Sagar, Avni Hatkar. From grade 5, Nihan Marwa, Gayatri Kanavade, Avnish Pawar, Himanshu Bansod. From grade 6, Sonakshi Patil, Ketki Tandale, Bhakti Gurav. From grade 7, Shashwat Pani, Rutbi Taksale, Aradhya Tupe. From grade 8, Akshata Pawar, Chaitanya Mantri, Aditya Vaidya, Prince Jat from grade 9. From grade 9 again, Swayam Vibhor. From grade 10, Tejas Chavan and Arihant Kothari. Please give them a huge round of applause. International English Olympiad from grade 1, Ayush Kale, Mitansh Nagar, Navya Sardesh Pandey. Grade 2, Raghav Kulkarni, Sanvi S. Sahu, Adya Dalal. Grade 3, Shaurya Patil, Vanraj Kamble, Srinit P. Bandale. Grade 4, Rajveer Deshmukh, Avni Hatkar, Advaita Joshi. Grade 5, Nihan Marwa, Pragati Tandale. Grade 6, Moksha A. Barmecha, Shivam A. Pimple, Ketki Tandale. Grade 7, Jayalalit Amrutkar, Aradhya A. Gaud, Anvesha Dalvi. Grade 8, Swadev Patni, Ganesh Ramdev Darade, Harsh Rathod, Naman Gaikwad, grade 9, Ruchi Sunamne from grade 1, NCO, Mitansh Nagar, medal and certificate of distinction, grade 4, Avni Hatkar, grade 6, Rohit Jaiswal. Homi Baba, Bal Vedhanik competition, total 7 students qualified for the second level, Adi Folkmare from grade 9, Chirag Zadhav from grade 9, Shivam Pimple from grade 6, Bhakti Gura from grade 6, Dhruv Sachin Bardev from grade 6, Ketki Dandale from grade 6 and Rohit Jaiswal from grade 6. Parents, please give them, these students, a huge round of applause. Shravan Wankhede of grade 8 got third rank in national level and is appearing for international level in the Viz Spell Bee competition. So these were the some results of the Viz Spell Bee and Viz handwriting competition. State cum national winner I am going to call out. Arya Deshmukh, grade 1, Anbika Gosavi, Arohi Dongarjal, Arohi Patil, Teerth Kasliwal from grade 2, Ansh Shelke, Arohi Nadwade, Satvik Gavade, Sanvi Sahu, Shubhra Shinde, Virat Singh Rajput, Vedika Bombre from grade 3, Adya Dalal, Kinjal Patel, Vedika Tote, Soham Rajveer, Randive, Padmanabh Patil, Rutvika Nune, Asmi Kulkarni, Samiran Murukkar, Shaurya Patil, Himanshu Nikumb, Vallabh Debhere, Mrudmai Sholapure from grade 4, Shrishti Darade, Varni Zadhav, Varnika Dalial, Pragati Sable, Shreya Vature, Kalash Chandiwal, Shreyas Deshmukh, Vedika Dabale from grade 9, Ranveer Desale, Pankhudi Pawar, Sharvi Y from grade 5, Pankhudi Pawar, Sharvi Y Bese, Prati Hangomithat, Vignesh Deshmukh, Ishwari Takale, Mohit Khamankar, Sia Takare, Anandi Raut, Om Palve from grade 6, Sarvesh Hurne, Sanket Bhalerao, Muhika Kulkarni, Moksha Barmecha, Navinya Vadgaonkar, Gunjan Butole, Sunakshi Kailash Patil, Shivam Pimple, Arpita Suryavanshi, Shlok Badhe, Dhruv Bardev, Divya Zadhav, Soham Deo from grade 7, Asima Bhandari, Navya Patil, Aradhya Gaud, Samriddhi Aucharmal, Rutvi Taksale, Arham Bora, Arush Malu from grade 8, Hamzuddin Mulla, Varada Dalvi, Ganesh Darade, and from grade 10, it was Shravani Murukkar, a great achievers of the year 2023-24. And in the DSO Association Federation and other games, in the Subruto Football under 17, we have won the second rank. In the boxing under 14 boys, we have ranked second. Table tennis under 14, Ruthvi Taksale got the second prize. DSO under 17, Prapti Sharma second and third. Rashi Barhate, along with Rashi Barhate. In under 19, Rudrani Shinde and Tanishka Orale got second and third. In Taekwondo under 14, we've got third. In Tennis under 17, we've got second. Badminton under 14, Lavish Mule got third. And badminton only Aradhya under 19 got the third. In Judo under 14, Nanika Kahate won second. In Karate, we were third. Football, Suhani Patel got third. Squash, we were fourth. And chess under 19, Srinidhi Nagarpukar, we were, won fourth. In lawn tennis, Manasvi Rathore, first and fifth in district, second in divisional. Vishwajit Chaudhary in tennis only, second and third in district. In under 19 girls, Aradhya Gaud and Rudrani Shinde won fifth. In skating, we were second and third. Volleyball, Natik Soni in district won first. Volleyball only under 14 girls, Manasvi Rathore, Amra Siddiqui and Priyanshi Meena got second. In under 17 volleyball only, we again stood second in the district. Nimriti Kale, Tanisha Bidbe and Tanishka Wagmare in under 17 girls stood third in the volleyball. In the ball badminton matches in district, we scored first and the second positions respectively. In basketball, under 19 boys and under 14 boys and girls, Anish Bhalerov stood first and Sara Rana stood third. in the district level and state level also they took up the same position. Volleyball under 14, which was held in Universal, we stood first. Football under 17, boys also we stood first. Gymnastic Association, it was being conducted. Riya Nafde, she stood first in state and first in national. Aryan Musle in skating, he stood second and fourth in state and national. Pickleball, Arush Agarwal, state second, national first. In pickleball, Yadnesh Toke first in state and national. Shravan Wankhede, pickleball, state and national both first. Natik Saraf, pickleball under 17, first, both in state and national. Laksh Khilnade stood second in state and first in national in the pickleball. Soft tennis under 14 girls, Manasvi Rathod stood third in the state. And lawn tennis in under 14, Aradhya Gaur, Rudrani Shinde and Vishwajit Chaudhary, they participated and took the second position. Aryan Roth in karate under 14 stood second in national. Aradhya Kothari stood first in pickleball national. Sparsh Suryavanshi stood second and first respectively in state and national in karate. In karate, Raghav Dudgaonkar stood first in international championship. Parents, please give all these achievers a huge round of applause. In skating, Aryan Jain stood third and pickleball, Sanchi Khillare stood first in state, national third and international third. Shruti Darade, martial art, she stood third in international. A huge round of applause. Karate, Muhammad Ali stood second in divisional and Drishti Kole, Vikasini and Kaira Rana stood third, second in the district level respectively. So these were our sports achievements for the year, and throughout the year we have conducted so many CCA activities and inter-house competitions. A few of them I will just name them. Father's Day celebration, Ashadi Ekadashi, Kargil Divas speech competition, Rakhi making competition, Radha Krishna fashion show, Coconut Day, fireless cooking, Makhar making, English extravaganza, speech competition on freedom fighters, inter-house dance competition, Hindi essay writing competition, laddu making. Now the field trips were as follows. We went to various places. Few of them are Post Office, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Lokmat Printing Press, then Sunehri Mahal, then there was a Balika Ashram. We went there as well. After the annual function of the last year, from the January month only, we have started with our activities, Makar Sankranti celebration, Republic Day celebration. Pariksha Pe Charcha was conducted in the school auditorium by the education department themselves. Mr. M.K. Deshmukh sir and Mr. Anil Sable sir, the deputy director of the education department, watched the Pariksha Pe Charcha live from New Delhi with the students of grade 10. A successful dental checkup camp was organized for students in grade 1 to grade 4. On the occasion of National Science Day, we conducted inter-school science competition and exhibition, Kagaku Viz. There was a session which was conducted by Miss Resham Bam on good touch and bad touch. And there was a fruitful session which was conducted by Dr. Prabha Virat ma'am on meditation and how to concentrate on studies. The session began with the investiture ceremony which was conducted on 19th April and which was followed by the 14 under 14, the Hyderabad cluster event which was being taken care of by the Academic Council, and it was a virtual platform to celebrate the remarkable achievements of 14 students from all the 4 schools of the Hyderabad cluster. Grade 10 parent orientation was conducted on 10th of June. Grade 1 to 9 was conducted on 12th of June. On 7th of July, we all celebrated respected Chairman Sir's birthday, and the day commenced with a delightful assembly and culminated into a lot of celebrations. On 30th, the 3rd season of Envision was conducted successfully with 8 participating city schools. Lokmat Times Campus Club had organized MUN. Around 20 schools participated in the competition, and our school's student Viraj Ungole, a student of grade 7, received the best delegate high commendation in the first edition of Campus Club MUN. In the committee's showcam, Amay Pendare was also verbally recommended for his amazing performance in MUN. Heartiest congratulations. 78th Independence Day was celebrated with fervor and enthusiasm. On 17th August, our school hosted a poster competition on the theme, Say No to Screen Time, Disconnect to Reconnect. An insightful session titled Say No to Screen Time was conducted by Dr. Nidhi Navandar on 17th August. On 27th August, our students from grade 1 to 4 performed a magical dance on the same theme. On 23rd August 24, as per the CBSE circular, the fire department conducted a very important demonstration on how to use a fire extinguisher, a vital skill that can help save lives in case of fire emergency. We conducted in our premises. It was a great endeavor and I want your appreciation for the same. Parents, please. Please. On 22nd August, the school hosted an enlightening session by the Flame University on the liberal education. Mad Hub was also inaugurated on 31st of August. There was a session, Good Touch and Bad Touch, again was conducted by Dr. Nidhi Navandar ma'am. Ganesh Chaturthi festival was celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm and enjoyment. Progressive Reading School Award by the Primary Plus was given to TJIS Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. 5th September Teachers Day was celebrated by the students in all the sections. TJIS Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar also conducted a training session on the National Education Policy, which was conducted by the CBSE, COE, Pune, and which was presided by the Principal of Podar, Ravinder Rana Sir. An awareness session was conducted by Nirmala Rakh ma'am, PI from Satara Parisar, on the increasing cybercrime, child abuse, personal security, gender differences, peer influence, and good and bad touch. In the whole month of October, we inaugurated and completed our entire inter-house sports activities, for which today we are culminating it into our annual sports meet. After the Dashera and the Diwali celebration, we went for the Diwali holidays, and before the Diwali holidays, Educators Enrichment Program in the form of the midterm FTP was also conducted for the educators of the Jain International School, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, which was presided by none other than but the Honorable CEO Sir, Honorable Secretary Dr. Mona Mehendi ma'am, and Honorable Joint Secretary Mrs. Lalita Kosaraju ma'am. In addition to all the fun and frolic activities, we were also having some really great special assemblies. Pratibim and talk takes have become a very normal affair in the Jain International School, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. In the end, I would like to thank most gratefully our CEO, Dr. Chandrasekhar DP in absentia, and all the members of School Managing Committee for their consistent support. I must thank the administrative staff and the unfailing devotion and diligence of the teachers and administrative staff who have made this rewarding year for the whole community. Our teachers are fully dedicated to their task and do their best for the students. They spend extra hours to prepare boys and girls for all activities so that they realize their highest potential. I express my gratitude to everyone, to all the staff members, students, parents, management, and everyone concerned with the running of this school for extending helping hand every time. TJIS Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar will make the best endeavors in the times to come. In the end, I once again thank the Honorable Chief Guest, Secretary, distinguished guests and dignitaries, parents for accepting our invitation and for obliging us with your gracious presence. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
We take immense pride to reveal that TJIS has taken a pronounced initiative to set the trend of sports mascot created and designed by students only. This activity was presided over by our respected principal, Ms. Shikha Srivastava ma'am, who enthused the students to create and design the mascot. Unanimously, Pearl was chosen as the sports mascot for the Thrill-a-thon. It is created and designed by Charvi Darade of Class 8B. We aspire to soar and reach higher altitudes in TJIS, just like an eagle. Now, may I request all the eminent dignitaries to do the honors. Now, I request the escorting palace to escort the honorable dignitaries.
A glorious moment for the Jain International School, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, to declare and celebrate the champions of JGI who have distinguished themselves in the state, national, and international level competitions and brought laurels to the school. The tradition of lighting a flame comes from the ancient Greeks. This flame represented the endeavor for protection and struggle for victory. The flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge, and life. I call upon the dynamic participants to step forth into the arena and take their position for the torch run. Now I humbly request our distinguished chief guest, Ms. Aishwarya Avinash Aghav ma'am, to hand over the torch to the international player of TJIS, Riya Nafde. Riya Nafde is an international player in gymnastics. She is joined by Ari Musaria, skating player of state. They are joined by Arush Agrawal, national pickleball player. Next is Yagnesh Toke, the national pickleball player. Next is Shravan Wankhede, the national pickleball player. Next we have Naitik Saraf, the international national pickleball player. They are joined by Laksh Kalare, the international national pickleball player. Next we have Raja Gaur, Kanchan Singh, Sujit Chaudhary for participation in state lawn tennis. Next in row is Arnav Rao, the national karate player. Next is Aradha Kotaria, national pickleball player. Next is Sanji Kalare, international pickleball player. Next is Sparsh Suryavanshi, our national karate player. Next in row is Raghav Sudgaonkar, who is an international national karate player. And then we have Arun Jain, an international national skating player. And last we have Sushti Virade, an international karate player.
Our proud achievers are running with torch-holding spirit and enthusiasm to preserve the pride of the Jain International School in upcoming sessions and to ignite the young upcoming sportsmen to carry forward the similar legendary in future at state, national and international level competitions. Now I request honorable dignitaries to illuminate the torch of Thrill-a-thon. May I request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries. Now, may I request the honorable dignitaries to take their seats in the central pavilion. I request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries.
The March Past is a tradition that symbolizes unity, discipline, and pride. It is a moment where each team showcases their dedication and respect for the event. Participating in the March Past are the teams from Aditya House, Abhay House, Ashoka House, each representing their hard work, determination, and team spirit. I now request the head boy to step forward and seek the permission for the march past from our honorable chief guest.
First, we begin with the Aditya house. Aditya, which means the sun. Green, the prosperity. It represents growth and harmony. Students of Aditya house are down to earth, sociable, and responsible.
Next in a row is Abhay House. Abhay means being fearless, being able to take up challenges and meet them in grandeur. Yellow symbolizes sunshine. Every student of Abhay House shines with the quality of perseverance and faith in one another.
Now comes the Anant House. Anant means unlimited, endless and infinite. Color red is the symbol of love, courage, sacrifice, victory and honor. Students of Anant House are the jacks of all trades, performing to the best of their abilities in sports and cultural events.
Last but not the least follows the Ashoka House. Ashoka is named after India's greatest emperor Ashoka. The students of Ashoka House are known for their highly intellectual skills, stability and unity, symbolizing the blue color. As the objective of TJIS, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, is to involve each and every student so that they are a part and a parcel of every activity. We have 4 junior and 4 senior house wardens to bring out the holistic development. An annual sports meet drill is a synchronized group performance involving rhythmic movements, formations and exercises performed by students. So here are our students to showcase their skills from toddlers to grade 3.
हिट का छक्का मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का, तू अलादीन मैं तेरा जिन मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, मैं किसी से कम नहीं तूने सिखाया, जीने का नुस्खा यही तूने बताया, नाच मेरी जान होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जान होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, मार चलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जान होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु,
my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. She's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind.
Wow, what a spectacular performance! Parents, please give them a huge round of applause.